you!
Hi guys, my name is Yana.
And we are the Krazy 2 with the K. And today we are going to make a waffle. But, this is egg free.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
To make this waffle, we will need oatmeal, but make sure it's blended, oil spray, and a waffle maker.
And milk. And you will need milk and honey and white chocolate.
We are going to put the oatmeal inside of the bowl, but make sure you have a 1/4 teaspoon cup. 2 times. Oh boy. Okay.
So now I'm going to put the honey.
And that.
Is that what you
It's good.
Okay. It's kind of a lot.
Now we are going to add the chocolate, but it can be any kind of chocolate.
Any kind of.
And make sure you only get 1 spoon of it.
I'm getting. What am I doing? There we go.
There we go.
And now we have to do this. So we are gonna put a 1/2 cup of milk. Alright, let's do it.
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. The batter is ready, so we're going to put it inside the waffle machine.
So now we're gonna warm up our waffle maker machine. We're gonna wait until this light comes to green. We have the green light, so now we're gonna put the oil. Okay.
We are going to add the batter.
The big one.
A real big one.
And now we have to then hold it. So we're gonna wait for the green light again. So it is green light.
Now let's open it. It's gonna be hot.
Let's take it out from the waffle machine.
Now you can add any toppings, but we want to add whipped cream and maple syrup.
So now we are going to put in maple.
Now we're gonna eat the waffle. Oh my god!
Yummier than ever.
If you don't believe us, make it yourself.
Yeah.
If you like our video, please slap the like button.
And subscribe to the channel.